Now let's see if I can do this off the cuff here. What I'm going to do is I have an as-built of some of these columns. And let's see, let's go. What do we got? Okay, so you got raw data. So if we take this, put it in a new, oops. And then you just swap these over. And you don't need elevations. Okay, so get out of that. So then what you got, I already have this saved as txt, but in case you didn't know, all you gotta do is change this to txt. Since it's the same comma separated value, it's basically the same thing. So it'll ask you if are you sure you want to do that. But so what we'll do is we'll bring this up. Control Alt, Control C. And you start your line command. Go down here. Control V. And all those points are drawn. And you can take measurements of those points.